The headlights on our Lincoln are getting really in bad shape. What is this, 2018?
Yeah.
2018 Lincoln MKX.
Yeah.
So Roy has taped around the headlight, and can you explain what you did after that?
Washed it first, taped it, and then started with 3000 grit. And this is 2000 grit.
Okay. And now, is that something you get in the kit?
Yeah.
Okay. So 3000 grit and then 2000 grit.
1000, 2000, then 3000. You go.
Oh,
the
okay.
higher the number,
The finer the grit.
finer the grit. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you're on the 3000 grit
No,
now?
I'm on
You're on 2000 grit now. Okay. Sorry, I misunderstood you.
This is the 2000 grit. You go with the 1000 until you get a kind of a grayish uniform looking headlight. And the finer your grit, the shinier it's going to get.
Oh, okay.
And then there's a polish sealer for it. Hard to do the corners.
Yeah, I bet. Need something with a little point on it.
Like your finger?
Yeah, my head. A little overcast today, so I hope this video is showing up okay. So you're wetting the sandpaper with just water?
Yeah, it's called wet sanding.
Okay.
Wet sanding is a form of sanding that's finer.
And how long do you have to do this?
I have no idea.
Oh, it's a learn as you go process.
It says do the first until all you're yellowish, which we don't have yellowish problems yet, but we definitely have discolored, faded plastic film on top of the headlight from the sun. So it says do that until all the defects and yellowish spots are removed. And it's certainly looking clearer.
Yeah, it is. Looking a lot better. And you haven't been at this for very long today, have you?
It's not been too long.
No. This is the headlight restoration kit that we bought. Where did we get it? Canadian Tire?
Yeah.
Okay, and this is some of the stuff that came with it. Did this polishing thing come with it too? That yellow thing? Polish, restore.
This, not that.
The headlight sealant. And then the sanding thing. And not this grape cloth too?
Yep.
Oh, the gray cloth too. Okay. That shows you on the back what all is included as well. So we'll see how it works. Roy's just getting ready to do the 3000 grit. Okay, so Roy's just started with the 3000 grit. He's done the 1000, 2000. Now progress to the next step, 3000. It's looking a lot better already. A lot clearer, eh?
Well, when it's wet and I'm doing this, it looks clear. As soon as it dries, it looks terrible.
So once you put the polish on it, maybe that'll clear it right up. I don't know.
Never done it before.
We'll see. First time, first time trying something like this. We watched lots of videos on it. People that have had success.
Did you?
Oh, I thought you did too.
No,
Oh, oops.
not lots.
Some.
Yeah. Probably should have watched more.
Is there good instructions with it?
No.
Oh. Would you recommend this maybe, or wait till it's done and
Wait
see?
till it's done.
And no, this is not paid for. We bought this with our own money. It's not a paid promotion for Simon Eyes. It's a try it and see what happens. Hopefully good results. So what are you doing now?
No, this is the polish restorer.
So after the 3000 grit, this is the next step.
I guess. I don't know how you're supposed to play it.
Boy, that pad is just disintegrating.
It is.
Not impressed with that. Wow.
It doesn't say to wet it. I wonder if you're supposed to wet it. That's polishing.
Yeah. Well, that's looking a lot better.
It just seems damp. Dry.
It does, and it's just falling apart.
Yeah.
Boy, not a lot in one of those, is there?
Oh.
Considering the size of it. Now, are you supposed to leave this for any length of time on there, or?
I wouldn't think so. It's a polish. It's not a.
Not like a wax that. Yeah, look at all the stuff left behind and on the floor.
It's all
On the driveway, it's everywhere. Oh boy, it's like poplar seeds. They're everywhere.
Oh, yeah.
You want to give that to me, or? I think the flies sense that there's a storm brewing. Really, really hot again today. Muggy. Our grass is starting to look like a desert. It's turning brown.
that?
I just hit the wheel on the tractor with my foot.
Oh, it's looking a little cleaner.
Not like the spray was coming my way, but I was being careful.
It's looking a little better.
It's looking a lot better, yeah. Oh, this side hasn't been done yet. And this side has had the polishing and the sanding. Not the, what is it, a clear sealer or something?
Yeah, they have a sealer for it.
Sealer.
I'll go over it once more.
So this will be the third time polishing.
Yeah.
You got enough to do the other headlight, or do you have to
No.
buy a different?
I don't
Kit.
know.
Oh, I'm asking too much questions like usual. Drives Roy nuts. I have a very inquisitive mind. So if you do something like this, make sure you got a few clean cloths handy. See what it looks like from this angle. Lots of reflections there. Oops, get Roy's head out of the way. We don't claim to be professionals. We are far from professionals at anything. So Roy cleaned off his yellow, I don't even know what you'd call that thing. What is that thing called?
Polish.
Cleaned that off with water. Now he's putting the clear coat.
No, polish sealer. What do they call it? Headlight sealant.
Headlight sealant. They provide that orange pad in the kit. And you're supposed to use 5 milliliters, about the size of a dime, the instructions say. Whoop. Oh, that doesn't come out. Oh, doesn't come out very much. Very good. That's a big dime.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's way more than that in there. It's hard to get it up in that corner.
Hard to get the corners, eh? Are you supposed to leave this on now or what?
Dry for 5 minutes.
Oh, I missed that part of the
Yeah,
instructions.
where it was in.
Okay. Alexa, set the timer for 5 minutes. Yep, 5 minutes is up. So the final step of cleaning up the sealant is taking place. Oh, that looks pretty good. The flies are ready to christen it already.
Probably.
What do you think?
It's a
As good as it gets?
definite improvement. Well, no, I can probably get it better. But
Still seems a little hazy, doesn't it? Not as clear as they show in the picture.
well, never is. Come on. That Nick, you'll never get out of it.
No. But it's definitely better than what it was.
Oh, way better.
Pleased with it?
Yeah.
Yeah, he says with hesitation.
I was hoping it looked like the picture, but
Yeah,
didn't think it would.
yeah,
Maybe I gotta spend 2 hours polishing with each.
maybe. And this one turned out really good. Really pleased with that. Nice and shiny. Really good. Okay, so this is the finished result. This was the first headlight that Roy did. And then he redid it after the second one and hand polished it. And it turned out much better. It's much shinier. They look great. Fantastic. You can see it a little better now with the car out of the garage. Very pleased with the final result.